Is SEO a one-time thing? So this is a question that I get asked quite often because people are looking for the quick and easy way to get effective results. And search engine optimization is going to be your best return on investment when it comes to online digital marketing. The answer is no. SEO is not a one-time thing. You need to think of SEO or search engine optimization like going to the gym. If you're looking to lose weight, maybe gain a little bit of muscle and then lean out, you can't do that just one time. Now, there are certain things that we do when we bring on an SEO client that we will do one time. For example, there is the foundation of the website, so more so the technical aspect of how Google is viewing your website, the way that you title and descript your pages, the way that you use alt text to tell Google specifically what your pictures and videos are. Those are things that we will do one time on the existing content that you bring over on your website. But that in and of itself will not overarching fix your online presence and your SEO strategy. So there are things that we will absolutely do just one time, but that's like the foundation on your house, or in the terms of going to the gym, literally signing up for your gym membership and then putting a plan in place in order to accomplish your goals for your health and for your fitness. Once we fix that, then we start to go into our online or ongoing strategy that usually is comprised of things both on the website and off the website, referred to as on-site SEO and off-site SEO. So some of the things that we're going to do on the website ongoing is adding new content that could be location pages, more service pages, a combination of location and service pages, as well as incorporating things like a blog, taking care of your Google business listing off the website. So posting once a week, getting you 400 different business listings and citations, and then incorporating backlink and press release type strategies. So those are things that you consistently have to do, no differently than you're going to consistently have to go to the gym, show up each and every single day, and get the most out of your fitness plan. SEO, while most people would love to just pay a one-time fee and get everything fixed, that's basically fixing the foundation on your house, or as I mentioned before, signing up for that gym membership and having a plan in order to lose weight, gain muscle, whatever your goals are. So SEO in and of itself, unfortunately, is not a one-time thing. There are things that we will absolutely do one time on your website to fix the foundation. But once that foundation is ready to be built on and grow bigger, no different than a house, those are things that you'll consistently do each and every single month. SEO is going to be your best return on investment when it comes to digital marketing because you're not putting ad spend in there. You're essentially building out more digital real estate to take up more of the results on the first page of Google, or obviously you'll start somewhere on the 10th page of Google for new keywords, and then we'll build it up from there. SEO, again, is not just a one-time thing. It's a consistent thing that you should do year-round. A lot of our clients will come to us and say, hey, can I just do SEO for the 6 months that we're super busy? And then the months where we're not as busy, can we turn that off? Sure, of course you could, but you don't go to the gym for 6 months and then take 6 months off and expect to be in that same condition that you were when you ended SEO and things were really starting to take off. So SEO, you should absolutely budget to do that year round. You shouldn't try to cut back and do that because a lot of the competitors in your industry are going to cut back, which is the time where you should be investing more in search engine optimization. So SEO is not a one-time thing. It's something you should do year round. If you have any questions about SEO, the difference between on-site and off-site SEO, some of the things that we will do one time versus things that we'll do ongoing, feel free to leave a comment. Reach out to me at adammcchesney.com or on Instagram at AdamLMcchesney. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.